Evening, folks. Doing a mini challenge for Nancy for the top three. Well, the top three getting spots in the main for the 2 Lonzo Ball challenge. Challenge is live. Who have we got in this list? We got Lindsay to bots. And that list in the randomizer 833 PM. Lindsay to bots. Dice roller 2 dice, no snake eyes. 9 times. Good luck, folks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Bots, Luke, bots. One more time, 833. Congrats to. We've got spot 10 bots, then Lindsay, and then Luke. Had to go 9 times, did go 9 times. It's spots 10, 1, and 5. Ping our spots in the main. Verification code at the bottom. Congrats to those top 3, I believe. If I'm not, you know what to look it up. Challenge complete.